share and subscribe.
Hello friends, we are going to make Bhel. For Bhel we need 1 bowl of onion, 1 bowl of tomatoes, green chilli and 1 slice of lemon, coriander for garnishing, save and kurmura. I am going to put onion and tomato. Now I am going to put the chopped green chilli, then save and mix it. Now I have mixed it well. Now put some salt for the taste and mix it. Now I am going to put some coriander for garnishing. Now I will squeeze the lemon juice on the bhel. Now serve.
Like, share and subscribe.